Hello everyone, this is Lipsa here. Today I am going to help you for your career, help you for your own business opportunity. So first of all, before going to start it, I don't want to tell you why we need a business. What is the benefit of in business and how to identify it's a long time of profitable business. So I'm telling you it is why, what and how. So first of all, business means you are the boss of yours. Be a own boss. And why we need a business? I'm giving one example here. Suppose you are a professional professionally you're working somewhere as an engineer, as a doctor, or as some companies, private companies. What happened there? You have to go 9 hours plus 2 hours, 9 hours or 10 hours duty. Somehow it is sometime 11 hours. And apart from that, for traveling 2 hours. Okay, and also after coming to office you are very tired. Those who are single parents or those nobody have family person is there to help your children. You have to put your children in daycare, and also there is a tension how to manage several loans and according education fee of kids, and also you know nowadays corporate culture how killing inside of many peoples. So people without stepping out, if you can do this business, then what's the problem in that? And what is required to do this business? And I will tell you, many of having financial issue, many of having many things, dreams, passions, but you are not able to do anything. And you have a master degree, a doctorate degree, after marriage and after being a child, you have to stay at home. This is a very saddest thing where you internally having a depression like where I am and why I'm not able to give my identity, and you are worried about your kids' future, one passion or dream, and you have many responsibility but you cannot do it. Here is the solution for you. You will get passive income, you will get quality time with family, and also you will get travel around the world, and also you will feel financial independent. You will support your family. Everything I can do it. If you're thinking that it's very late, I cannot do it, then it's not there. So after that, I'm going to giving why you need a business. Because of office work times, because of you need a income particularly, and you will get a proper mentorship and guidance over here. Where in corporate culture you will get only those who are doing supportive or oiling, they will get promoted. Well, you deserve this promotion, but you will not get it, so you will get very depression. So it is very easy to start business. Okay, you will get your full time to you can convert your 3-4 hour affordable time. And there is no risk actually in your business. Traveling, no need traveling, you do the whole world. No need to travel for the office. No need to waste your time. Earn residential and passive income. Enjoy with your family and friends. And work timing, which is a very good things in that. So I am giving you my small introduction. Who am I? I am Lipsa Rani Raut. I am from Odisha. I am staying in Chennai. I have completed my BC and MBA. And I have total 7 years plus experience in telecom, finance, insurance, holiday industry, many. And currently I'm working in a bank as a M grade, and I am a mother of 4.5-year-old baby boy, and I just joined in this business last 10 to 11 months. I was a 12% manager over there, around 20 plus people working as a team. Now I'm getting 5 to 6K monthly along with many learning trainings, knowledge, gifts and many more. And if you join, then definitely give it. If I can do this, definitely why cannot you? You have many successfully leaders. They are almost earning more than 50 to 1 lakh rupees, 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. It may be not today or tomorrow, even a year, but eventually if you think will turn off, if you will consistently do it, then definitely one day you will make it. I believe that thing. So definitely if you believe this, definitely everything will be possible for you, and impossible word itself I am possible. So it's just a chance where you have to jump from a smaller cube to a bigger cube, where you will get a various spacious things, different world of life. So let's start. How we will start this? So this is our system of working. This is through digitally we are doing is through Facebook, webinars, WhatsApps. So social media will attract your lead. Business page, you promote your business. Webinars, we will learn and teach. WhatsApp, you will communicate with your team. Second thing, you will become a digital entrepreneur. Either you can be a business coach, or you can become a digital entrepreneur. So how do you start? You have to start with your funneling people with you. You have to make your own team. You have to invite them to your opportunity, ordinary opportunity like I am doing now, and you have to sign up with them after this. You have to build him her is a organized way. You have to give a proper training, follow step-by-step trainings, attend all the trainings, webinar, and you have to learn many things, online tools, recruits, personal engagement, personal development, many things you will learn. Let me introduce on our company. What is the company name? You might hear about this company. You might say, yeah, this is waste of time, something. It's not like this. Believe me, it's not like this. So let's introduction about our company. Its name is Oriflame. Oriflame is a Sweden-based European company since 1967. Sells the personal care, accessories, essential services, nutrition, wellness products online and direct sales network marketing through multi-level marketing model. Oriflame sends more than 60 countries. If this company is not like this, then definitely 60 countries will not accept this. And we have approximately 3.6 million independent consultants like me, like you also if you get this opportunity. Overall 50 years of empowering different peoples and their dreams. If you are passionate to work, if you are alive to dream, fulfill your dream, definitely do it. There is a two successful mantra I can say you how you will do it. Complete your 100 bonus point. What is 100 bonus point? I'll tell you. Oriflame having different type of product. I tell you. I'm giving you example. Suppose you are using that personal care like soap, shampoos, conditioners, nail polish, lipsticks, hair oils, and like this many other daily uses, face powders and facials and face wash, many other things is there. The day-to-day life you are using for other brand. Yeah, if you are addicted with this brand, you cannot leave this. I know this, but you can slowly start. You can cut from there. You can buy from here for your personal BP. Giving an example, like 30 rupees, you will get a 1 BP. Like this, you have to give a 100 bonus point, which is approximately 3,500 rupees, approximately. And this is only 10%. This is not like mandatory, but if you want to grow your business, then you have to do this so that your team will know and you will get experience about the product. Second thing, recruiting. You have to recruiting a base of business. Tell me in which business in their entire world is there who is not making the customers, not making their relationships to well, and not making the sales to getting the extra, right? So you have to recruit a bunch of business people, like you can have friends, family. No need to go and request them. They need business, they need personal income. They have to do this. So additional, follow your leader. You have to following of leader, attend the meeting. You can learn how to recruit the things. What is the recruitment system? Okay. Then let's go to third thing. One day in the Facebook, I got this opportunity from this ma'am. He's our inspiration, I can say. With a 10-year back, how she is. I'm telling you, he is a BSc Computer Science dropped out, MBA dropped out. He's a proud mom of 2 kids, and he don't have any prior business experience. But still, in last 10 years, he sees success in this industry. More than 25,000 women he do the empowerment, helping other women to have financial freedom. The started work in offline. See, now we have many online tools we can do, but this lady started his work in 10-year backs with offline. Offline he's doing and he's earning now more than 3 lakh in a month. Then why you are not? And this time you have a transformation through Digital India. You can do through the digital wise, and this is his current peak. You can check this. How transformation from this to this. Now he is a diamond director, is getting 3 lakh payment. Like this, many people is there. I will show you one by one. And also, she gives a Creta Karen to give to his family, and he is having a European trip. His 2 husband, and how he done the success. So your success is your goal. You have to become a goal to become a gold. So benefit to become a gold, you will get higher earning bonus, you will get cash award, you will get recognition, diploma, gold pin, you will get conference, foreign trips, quality for your car program, qualify for your car program. Your aim should be to become a gold director. So for getting the gold director, you have to starting from here. So this is there is a business tool is there is a particular business system is there, so you have to follow thoroughly. Consistency you have to do. It's not like this month I can't do, next month I will not do. If you make it consistency, then definitely it will be go a massive success. So recruitment is the kill, you have to do this. How to do the recruitment? This is the system. Suppose this is you recruited a people, 5 people, they recruited a 5 people. So everyone doing any 100 BP, then it will be calculated as like this. If you're doing this BP, then you will get this amount. See, you can earn up to initial level 54,000. After that more is there. After that more is there. See, this is what the business system you can do is. Then this is my story. I'm going to show you when this is me here. When I became a 12% manager, I recognized in front of 5,000 people and you went a lot with the team. I have qualified for the Goa, but this is due to lockdown, it is hold, but we will definitely do it. And this is our like team, and this is our entire supremacy group. So this is our my personal story here, where you can just follow. You can also one day become here. And if you gradually grows every month, definitely you are getting this all cash awards team is getting, so you will also eligible for this. You will enjoy with your family in through the tips. Then going to next, this is my pay white system, where I initially when I have started, I got my first payment of 397 rupees. Then I got my second payment 1317. Then I get my third payment 3985. Then 4265. Like this is gradually increase. If you take a challenge for yourself, definitely you will do it. Okay, so it is directly credit to your registered account. So monthly payout will be directly credit to your registered account. So this is what just I want to give you confidence. If you don't have money, so nobody will ask you. If you have money, then time is there for you. And if you want both earn money and time, then nobody can stop you. So time will never stop for you. So the time will go on. So if you want to earning money, then you have to kick start yourself. You have to passionate about yourself. In any line you have to passionate about yourself. No one will wait for you to giving you money or time. You have to go behind money, then you will get time. So you have to start yourself. You have to get ready yourself. So this is the example. This is the college student Dhana ma'am, who is in only 22 years old. He just completed, before he completed graduation, he get 50,000 rupees monthly income. 50,000 rupees. Is a BTech student, and he is also become director. And before completing his BTech, he started earning monthly 50,000 plus. Then this is, I can say you, this all is the housewives, and they have also proved this. And these all are corporate employees. Sangeeta ma'am is now staying in India. Out of India they are doing this. Recently the medical student from Russia also, they have earned a director, they have earned a senior manager title. So they all are from corporate employee, and they are converted to freedom entrepreneurs. So this how you will gradually go. How is our system? You will get proper digital academies is there. You will invite, recruit your teams. You will gradually increase your business, and you can communication, leadership skills you will learn. You will become a product expertise, and you will become a special course for this. You can do that training one day like me. And I'm not think the many people are there, they well and good in many things. So You will get a e-catalog or offline or hard copy of the catalog. Once you order the product, you have to watch webinar, understand the system, understand the uniqueness. Look for the interest people around you, invite them for the webinar, nothing else. You can recruit you can become a self-user or seller, or you can become a recruiter. 3 things you can do it. Any 3 things you can do it. It's not selling. If you want to do reseller or self-user, you can do it. Aim to identify 5 potential team members who will like you. Okay, get them details, register here. Registration is very much free. If you join them, then you will get this program: cash, car, house, child education, wedding, world tour. You can take your retirement very soon. So passive income is very much important, because you just think nowadays, due to small virus, what happened? Many people lays off, many people jobs gone away. But if you have some passive income, or if you have some digital things, you cannot stop this. Now digital things is not stopped, everything in digital, but your jobs and everything will be not secure. So think guys, you're staying home. If you are just recruiting people like HR MBA people, they are doing. See, if your WhatsApp contacts having more than 1500, Facebook contacts having more than 2000, then you cannot make a 20 potential people for you. Across the world, across the India, many million people are living. So you cannot make 100 potential team. That is what the difference between your business and common things. Okay. So that is what I want to tell you. So this is what the business opportunity. If you're interested, let me comment here. Let me tell me. Thank you.